God, you are the devil. Cause our walls are coming down.